Good afternoon. Welcome to Success Camp YouTube class. Today we'll be looking at a similar topic we have looked at in the previous lesson, trigonometry, and I will be solving some questions under trigonometry, and these are the questions above, at least 5 questions, and then we'll call it a day. So we'll start with the first one. The first one, if x is an acute angle and tan x is equal to 3/4, evaluate cos x minus sin x over cos x plus sin x. So the first thing you have to do is to draw a right angle triangle. By drawing a right angle triangle, and you always remember that this is your hypotenuse side. Don't forget that you are going to relate it to SOHCAHTOA, and you are giving your tan to be 3/4. So tan is always opposite over hypotenuse. This is where my eyepiece is. I have decided to keep my eyepiece here. So if I look up here, this will be my opposite. So definitely I've decided to keep my eyepiece here. So if I keep my eyepiece, definitely this will be my opposite. So my opposite, according to TOA, is 3, and my adjacent here will be 4. Then we should not forget Pythagoras. Let me say I name this place A, I name this place B, I name this place C. So by using Pythagoras, we can simply say, since we're looking for the larger side, it will be the addition of the addition of the square of the two smaller sides to get the hypotenuse side. So AC squared will be equals to AB squared plus BC squared, which is AB squared is 3 squared plus 4 squared, 9 plus 16, which is 25. AC squared is square root both sides, so this square cancels the square root. So AC square root of 25 is 5, and we get our hypotenuse side to be 5, and that's actually true because hypotenuse side is actually longer than the two sides, so that has proven it. So now we'll now go back to the plate and I say cos x minus sin x over cos x plus sin x. I'll pause the video and write the question. So welcome back. Cos x minus sin x over cos x plus sin x. By achieving that, I can always find what my cos x is. Let me find what my cos x is. So my cos x, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, where is the adjacent side here? Since your eye is there, this will be your adjacent, which is 4, and my hypotenuse is 5. And my sin x is opposite over hypotenuse. My opposite is 3, my hypotenuse is 5. So in order to go on with this, my cos will be 4/5 minus 3/5 over 4/5 plus 3/5. So we have a fraction, so we'll look for the LCM. LCM here is 5. So 4 minus 3 over LCM here is also 5. 4 plus 3, which is 1/5. 7/5, which is 1/5 times 5/7, which is cancel, which is 1/7. So we are through with that. In quick succession, let's try the number 2. You can pause the video and try it. So if sin theta is equal to 3/5, find tan theta. Remember, the first step I will do is to draw a right angled triangle. So sine theta says 3/5, and this is where my eyepiece is. So A, B, C. I am looking for BC squared. So BC squared will be AC squared, the larger one, minus AB squared. I should be getting 4 if I'm not wrong. So 5 squared minus 3 squared, that is 25, minus 9, and that is 16. Root of 16 is 4. BC. Remember that I will square root both sides, so no need. So this place, I've gotten this place to be 4. I've gotten this place to be 4. And now, so to get my tan theta would now be opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. The opposite here is 3, and my adjacent here is 4. So we are getting back the question of number 1. If you get that, that is thumbs up for you. Number 3, evaluate tan square 60 plus 1/2 cos square 30 plus 2 tan squared 30. So for the number 3, according to our special ratios of special angles, instead of pressing the calculator, we'll be using ratio of special angle. Tan 60 degree is, if you can recollect, is root 3. But because it is squared, we'll be squaring both sides. Plus 1/2 cos squared 30. That will be 1/2, and cos 30 is root 3/2 all squared, because of the square it's carrying, plus 2 tan squared 30 degree. That will be 2/1/root 3 all squared, and we'll be able to achieve that. So by continuity, we'll be having root 3 as root 3 and 3. It just cancel both sides, so we left with 3 plus 1/2 2 root 3, cancel, then some will be squared, so 3/4 plus 2 bracket 1/3 also. So we have that. So from here I have 3 plus 1/6/4 plus 2/3 equals to 3/1 plus 1/3/2 plus 2/3. So give me the same thing as 3/1 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. The LCM is 3. 1 in 3, 3 times 3, 9. 1, 2. LCM is 1, 2. 11, 13. 13/3. We can't leave our answer as 13/3, so we only change it to 4/1/3, and that's what I've gotten here. So for the number 4, I'm having sine 35 degree over cos 55 degree plus cos 30 degree over tan 60 degree. So don't forget that your cos, you recollect that cos 55 can also be written as sine 90 minus 55, which will result to sine 35 degree. So instead of me writing cos 55, I will change it to sine 35 degree from what I've gotten. You can go and learn that later, how to do that. So sine 35 degree over sine 35 degree plus cos 30 degree over tan 60 degree. So cancel becomes 1. It becomes 1 plus, and cos 30, if I can remember, should be 1, should be root 3. Okay, from our previous time when we had ratios of special angle, so we had that cos 30 degree was root 3 over 2, and then tan 60 degree was root 3 over 1. So 1 plus root 3 over 2 times 1 over root 3. Cancel. So I left with 1 plus 1 over 2, which is, we'll look for the LCM, we'll be getting 2 here. 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 2. So that is 1 whole number 1 over 2. Very good. So you can try out this number 5 by yourself at your free time, and whatever you get, you can send it at the comment section below. Thank you for being part of today's class. Please, if you have not liked this YouTube channel before, please do help us click on the like button, and also if you have not subscribed, please you can do likewise. It is actually free to subscribe. Is actually free. It won't take much time. Just help us press on the icon bell, the bell icon. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next class. Goodbye.